Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you a nice and simple traditional table setting. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, as you can see, I went back and add placemats because I like it better like this. So what do you think? And you're going to see the finished result, and to me it's better this way. So let me know down below what do you think if you like it.